Hi, this is John, and I'm going to show you a Jackie LED power strip tower. As you can see, it's a very space-saving designed product compared to other power strips. The handle on top helps you take it everywhere you want. Those oversized plugs that usually cover up 2 outlets on a regular power strip are no longer a problem because of the way the tower is built. In total, we have 10 power sockets as well as 4 USB ports that you can plug plenty of devices in at the same time. There's also an adjustable 6-foot cable wire at the bottom, which can be extended or retracted by rotating the tower. There are 3 switches that control each layer of power sockets. The LED light helps you to know which layer is working. If the tower works on 250 volts, the max running power can be 3,000 watts. When the total rated power of the working appliances exceeds the max running power, the red button at the bottom will eject and cut the power to protect the appliances and the power strip from fire hazard. To reset it, just remove some devices and push the button back, and it will work again.
Designed by the trade for the trade, Milwaukee introduces a line of 6-in-1 pliers to provide game-changing productivity. These multifunction pliers feature reaming, wire stripping, nail and staple pulling, bolt cutting, loop making, and wire cutting, allowing professionals to carry fewer tools and get more done on the job site. Maximize productivity with 6-in-1 pliers from Milwaukee.
Stanley's new family of FatMax snips offers a range of features to cut, crimp, or measure. Whether it's aviation, tin, offset, or HVAC tools, Stanley has a large offering to help you tackle a variety of applications. An updated line of aviation snips allows you to cut up to 18-gauge cold-rolled steel or 22-gauge stainless steel. Each is equipped with an auto-release mechanism for fast, one-handed operation, while the induction hardened edge helps your snips stay sharp longer. And when it's time to connect metal pipe or fittings, reach for one of the new FatMax HVAC tools and feel the comfort and control of the slip-resistant bi-material grip. The Stanley hand seamer features a 3¼ inch jaw width and a 1¼ inch maximum seam depth, while other HVAC tools are great for crimping around gutters, downspouts, and even heavier gauge pipe up. Select Stanley FatMax snips allow you to cut and measure thanks to measurement markings found right on the blades, saving you the hassle of using 2 tools for one application.